Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to be about to begin. We're going to be learning about APIs, the technology that powers communication between the software on the internet. Let me tell you about what is API. It's essentially a set of rules and protocols that defines how different different software can interact with each other. Uh, let's say we have program A. Here you can see we have program A and program B. If we wanted to, if we wanted program A and program B to talk each other, because they provide different types of functionality and we want them to work together, then we would need them to be able to communicate with each other. But unfortunately, in our case, program A speaks in Chinese and program B speaks in Japanese. Well, we would need an interface in between these two programs so that they know how to interact with each other throughout this bridge in in the middle, and that's essentially what an API does. It bridges the communication between different pieces of software. Uh, so I hope you understand what is the API is. And the next thing I wanted to talk about is there were different kinds of APIs out there. You can see REST and GraphQL. Mm, Let me tell you now which one you choose to learn in order to handle the APIs. So are we going to learn all the different kinds of APIs? In my opinion, that's the answer is no. As always, my belief in terms of learning is just in time learning. So learn what you need in the moment, because that is the best way to you're going to get to grips with it, because you got a strong motivation. In our case, when it comes to web development, of the there is one type of API that rules them all, and it's the REST API. Here you go. Mm, huh. That's the REST API. This is the most popular and most commonly used, most important type of API to know if you are going to work with the web development. So, what is the REST API? It's an API that follows a particular set of rules, but the most important rule of that is the fact that you use HTTP protocols to interact the API. Luckily, we use already learned about all these HTTP protocols. What are the HTTP protocols? HTTP protocol. Here you go. Unfortunately, we couldn't get them. Let me show you in the it's called Postman app. There were total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Say protocols. Seven protocols in the internet available. So hopefully you guys have already learned about those protocols. If you don't, make sure you watch my previous videos so you'll get an idea about the protocols. So the next thing is we are going to tackle a problem that tells the user where's the ISS. IIS, let me show you. IIS. IIS is the short form of International Space Station. Uh, there's an API which tells that where is the IIS at. So we're going to tackle that problem and figure out where's the IIS in the present situation, or the live location of the IIS. So let's get started by using the Postman. Here you can see there's a documentation which tells you how to do it. It's like a menu in the restaurant which tells you to which will guide you. I mean what you want, what do you want to get and post. So let's get started. First thing first, we got to figure out which URL we're gonna use to get the latitude and you know uh, latitude and longitude. You can see the first thing is this returns the name and the ID of the IAS, and the second URL is return position, velocity, and the related information about the satellite for given point in time. Okay, so let's copy this. So we're gonna figure out the where's the live location of the IAS now. Let's go to the Postman, paste here, and make sure you're using the get method, get protocol, whatever, and send request to the server. This will do. Here you can see we get a bunch of you know exactly here, but different longitude, latitude, and the velocity with whatever visibility. So here you can see. Let me show you the whole thing. Mm, there's a latitude and longitude. Uh, okay, here you go. There's a latitude and longitude. Let's copy the latitude and let's go to the Google Maps. And here you go. We're gonna paste latitude and longitude by pasting here and separate them by using the comma, just like I did over here. Just paste that and comma, and the next thing is longitude. So copy this, paste over here. This will give the location. Here you can see we got the location. Mm, According to the post API, the visibility is daylight. That must be afternoon or the morning in that location. And we didn't get the countryside, so unfortunately, here's the code. We'll figure it out by using that. Mm, let's see what's the location, live location of that. We still don't know. This is a Lipid RD island. Let's check where it is. There you go. It's in the United States. Uh, and this is what's the live location of the IIS or the satellite International Space Station. I hope you guys have understand the concept that I have told you in this video, and let me tell you the thing that I wanted to tell you. So hopefully you had learning a brief bit about the APIs and giving it a quick go. In the next lesson, we're going to be dive deeper into and learn about more complex types of API requests, and we're also going to see how we can make this different requests using our web server. So, so for all and more, I'll see you there.